Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 of our Speak English Fluently series. Today, we are moving to an advanced level. We will focus on the single most powerful habit for fluency, thinking directly in English, not translating. Why is this so important? Most people speak English slowly because they first think in their native language and then translate every word into English. This mental translation process acts like a middleman in your brain. It creates a delay, making you hesitate and sound less natural. That habit slows you down and drains your confidence. From today, we will stop translating. We are going to build a new, direct pathway from your thoughts to your words. Instead of thinking, I have to say something in English, train your mind to think, I am already speaking English. This small shift makes a huge difference. To get started, here are 2 quick mindset tips. First, throughout your day, simply name what you see around you in English. Use simple sentences. For example, that is a tall tree, or I am drinking coffee. Second, don't chase perfect words. Choose clear ones. The goal is communication, not a grammar test. Now, let's practice this with some common situations. I will give you a scenario, and then a natural direct response in English. Your job is to listen, then pause the video and repeat the response out loud. Let's begin. Situation 1. You're at the office coffee machine, and a colleague asks you,
What are you working on?
A natural response is, I'm tackling a new project, excited and focused. Pause and repeat. Situation 2. Your teammate needs to adjust a meeting time. They ask,
Can we move the meeting?
A great direct response is, let's push it to 3 p.m. That works for me. Your turn. Situation 3. You're in a presentation and didn't quite catch something. You need to ask for clarification.
Could you repeat the last point?
A helpful response to make sure you understand is, Sure, do you mean the budget timeline? Pause the video and say it aloud. Situation 4. Your team is brainstorming and your manager asks for your input.
What do you think about this idea?
A polite and constructive way to share your opinion is, It's promising, though we may need more data. Now you. Pause and repeat. And situation 5. You see a colleague looking busy and you want to offer support.
Do you need any help?
A grateful and clear response is, Thanks, I could use a quick review. Your turn to practice. Excellent work. Now, let's drill some confidence lines. These are short sentences you can tell yourself to build that feeling of being a capable English speaker. Repeat each one after you hear it.
I'm speaking clearly. I can find simple words. I'll finish my thought calmly.
Remember the goal. Think in English. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Confidence beats perfection every time. Your ability to connect with others is far more important than perfect grammar. Practice these sentences daily, and you will feel the difference. You are improving every single day. For your final task today, pause the video now and come up with 2 more examples from your own life. Think of a question someone might ask you, and then form a simple, direct answer in English. Keep building that habit.